What is going up, everyone? So in this video we are going to take an early look to the upcoming Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the True Form colorway. So let's go ahead and get into it. What is going up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel here at The Dad Life. Before I actually get into the sneaker, I do have a giveaway going on my channel right now. I will be giving away some BAPE accessories that I got from my HYPEBEAST mystery box. If you guys haven't watched that unboxing yet, make sure you guys check that out. I will leave that link in the description below, or you can check on my channel. We'll be giving away some BAPE coffee cups and as well as some BAPE keychains that I kept from that mystery box. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. And the very last step, make sure you comment below something positive and as well as your Instagram name down below in the comments section. 4 simple steps, 4 simple rules. I appreciate everyone supporting the channel, but like I said, let's go ahead and get into this. So if you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, so please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up on this video. If this video gets 50+ likes, I told you guys I will do a giveaway every time my video hits 50+ likes. So let's go ahead and smash that like button. As you guys can see from the title, we are going to take an early look to this beautiful shoe here. Adidas did announce that they are releasing not 1, not 2, but 3 Adidas 350 V2s in the month of March. You guys already know by now that Adidas and Kanye are dividing the 3 releases, 3 colorways in the region around the world. So as with this colorway, this will be releasing in Russia, Europe, and Ukraine, I believe. And then as you guys know, the clay colorway is going to be releasing in the US, North America area. And as the hyperspaces, they will be releasing in Middle East, India, Australia, Africa area. So I am not sure why they did that. I believe just because the V2s are possibly dead and they're probably trying to bring the hype back when it comes to the V2s. And we've made these discussions many times in the past, and there was a lot of discussions about, is the V2s dead? I'm not going to bring that subject up. I think that's pretty old. I think the hype is still there when it comes to the Yeezys. No matter what, these sneakers are definitely going to sell out no matter what. With this colorway, I think out of the 3 colorways, I think this one is my favorite out of the 3. That's the reason why I end up getting these early. If you guys did not know, when it comes to the clay colorway, Yeezy Mafia did announce that the release for the clays are getting pushed back to March 30th instead of the 16th. Yeezy Mafia only updated the clay colorway, but not the hyperspaces and the true form. So I'm assuming these are going to stay the same when it comes to the release date. So these will be releasing March 16th, which is this Saturday, on selected retailers online. Resale price is pretty crazy. Hopefully it dies down. I'm not sure if they're gonna be limited or not. Yeezy Mafia has not yet to announce the stock numbers, so I'm not sure how that's going to be. But like I said, let's go ahead and get into the real deal with the true forms. The sneaker itself reminds me, as you guys know, the Statics. When these first came out, it has that translucent see-through stripe right here where the Yeezy Supply 350 is supposed to be. As you can see, the whole upper is gray. You got hints of orange on the upper when it comes to the translucent see-through stripe here on the upper. On the back of the heel, you have orange on the heel tab, and as well as the translucent sole on the bottom when it comes to the boost. Like I said, there is not much to say about the shoe. Out of the 3 colorways, this was my favorite out of the 3, and that's just in my opinion. I will definitely have a separate video when it comes to the on feet portion to the sneaker. Which one is your favorite colorway out of the 3? Which one are you guys gonna go after? I'll probably try to go after all 3, so I need the hyperspaces. I do live in the US, so I'll try to get the clays, hopefully to get them in my Yeezy collection. You guys already know I love my Yeezys, so hopefully the release won't be too bad. Hopefully resale won't be too bad at all. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about the exclusive 3 colorways that they're releasing. Let me know in the comments. Let me know your guys' thoughts. You guys already know I'm very, very vocal when it comes to the comments below. I'm always reading your guys' comments, so make sure you guys give me your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments section. But like I said, I'm gonna get out of here, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. But like I said, I'm gonna get out of here. This is the Dad Life, signing in, signing out. Peace.